Wagwan guys, compliments of the season, and I quickly want to discuss something with you guys. Yesterday was Christmas and I sent out a proposal and the proposal got a response. I and the client got to talk about the price and an offer. So that's actually amazing. You send just one proposal, you get conversion. I'm not saying that everybody that sends every proposal out will get a response this period. But if you look at it, on Christmas Day, most freelancers are out there eating chicken and talking. Nobody wants to talk about working actually. Yeah, and I actually support that. Sometimes like you don't want to work all day. But I say something, hustler and holiday, both words, both start from letter H, but they have no connection, like they don't meet. Hustler is like this, holiday is like this. There is no holiday. Even today, Boxing Day, if you call me for a project of $1,000, I will jump at it and I'll start doing it today. There is no holiday for freelancer. We can always, that's the flexibility of freelancing, that you can have your holiday whenever you want. My holiday can be a Monday somewhere in the middle of February. That is not holiday for everybody, so I dictate my time. But the general holiday, you can actually base a strategy around that. That means like times when, this is not limited to Christmas, times when most other freelancers are not active. And that is the same concept of you sending proposals at night for African freelancers at a time when most other freelancers in Africa are asleep. Do you understand? Like just working with the time of your prospective clients. Then someone said when I posted it that most companies are closed, and I said that my own experience, I won't speak for everybody. Most people I have worked for on Upwork, let me say 8 or 9 in every 10, they are not companies, they are individuals. Or even for those that are companies, they are like you working directly with the CEO. So this kind of period, then note that freelancers sometimes serve as a substitute for workers of a company. So for a company that maybe like the CEO needs something done, then his employees are on holiday. Now he comes on Upwork and try to search if he can get somebody to quickly do that thing for him or her. This is actually a golden opportunity, especially for those who have not gotten their first job on Upwork. Yes, like I understand that proposals actually cost connect, but your chances of getting a conversion is higher in a period like this, on Christmas Day or New Year Day, the period between Christmas and New Year, that most people are actually not in work mode. But there are some things, in economies there is something called autonomous expenditures. That means that spendings that must be made whether or not you make money. For example, like whether you are broke or not, you are going to eat. That is an autonomous expenditure. So like there are some works that need to get done whether or not it's the holiday. For example, like then another class of work that you see a lot in this period, or that you should go for in this period on Upwork, and it even applies to some other platforms, are those works that requires maybe like urgent something, quick delivery. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like people that actually post the work on Upwork and they need it done within a very short period of time. So I think you should be smart enough to take advantage of this, especially for those who have not gotten their first job. Someone said that it will cost you connect. Yes, if you send your proposal in February or March or April or any other time of the month, it will cost you connect. So this is a time when I would advise that you even invest your connect in sending job. For example, like if you send 10 proposals, it costs you 100 connect. I'm not saying, I'm just giving an hypothetical example now. If you send it now, it costs you 100 connect. If you send it in April, or January, it costs you 100 connect. But your 100 connect spent in this short period, it will not only apply to this period, maybe like some other holidays that would come up. Spending that 100 connect in this period will most likely get you jobs. Will get you more jobs than spending it in any other period of the year. So this is the best time to shoot your shots. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.